Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the unboxing of the Teclast T40 Pro tablet made specifically for gaming. I also have here the folio case, which we will go through and take a look. But let's open up this box and see what we got. So yeah, this box is pretty small. I won't be surprised if there's not much inside. So let's see what we got. So we've got the tablet, which we'll take a look at later, and it says open, so we'll do that. We'll open it up, and we have a manual. We also have a warranty card, and is that that's a USB-C to USB-C cable. So USB-C cable, and I'm guessing there's the charging brick. Oh my goodness, no charging brick. So I guess everyone's following Samsung's example, where they don't really give you charging bricks and whatnot. But yeah, let's put this box back together and let's see what we've got. Actually, you know what? Then we'll take a look at the folio case as well. So we'll do that. Okay. So this is the folio case, and let's see. Okay. So it's it's fine. Normal quality folio case. We have the accessories, warranty card, not really any instructions. So this will pop right in here like this, and it's a rubber. Oh, actually, I like it that it's kind of rubbery because then it'll protect it properly. And then of course this will do the whole flippy up thing as well. So at least I think it will. Will it not? Kind of like this. And what else? Yeah. So let's take a look at the tablet itself. All right, let's do some plastic peels first. That's one. And the other one here. There we go. Number two. Okay. Now, this is, that's quite a heavy tablet actually. Yeah, this tablet is not light. I gotta put it that way. It feels quite high quality because it is a metal back tablet. You have your camera that protrudes out a little bit. And then of course the front here, well, it's glass. What else can you say, right? Let me just open this up. Oops, I think I just shook the camera. I'm just gonna open this up and take a look at the other tablets I have here. And this one over here. Sorry about that. And this, okay. So this is the Aldo Cube X Game right here, right? So this one is a little bit bigger than this tablet, as you can see. So Aldo Cube X Game, like this. Now, this is a bigger tablet, but these tablets are almost the same weight, right? So that shows how heavy this Teclast is. And this is the VastKing KingPad M10. And also about the same size, and this one's way lighter. So just putting it out there, this is a very, very heavy tablet. Okay, and on this side we have the power button, volume button, and I believe that's either a microphone or I don't know what that is actually. And then we have a USB-C port over here, and on this side, absolutely nothing. And on here we have two speakers as well as the SIM slot / micro SD slot, and then we have two more stereo speakers over here. So there's basically 4 speakers in this thing, so it should sound pretty good. So let's turn this on and see what we got. Okay, turning on the tablet, well, as you can see, I already attracted a whole ton of fingerprints, but that being said, the light is coming from this way, so you can really see the fingerprints super duper clearly. So as you can see, it's starting up, and yeah, I mean, not much else to say over here. Let's move some stuff out of the way. And yeah. So I'm currently at 27 seconds right now. I'm looking at my thing. 28 seconds to boot up. So not too shabby. Not too shabby. So I took a little bit of time and I installed a whole bunch of stuff. And so here I'll just show you a couple of things that this tablet can do. First of all, this is an Android 11 tablet. In terms of speed, it's got the Unisoc T618, and it's actually not too shabby. It's not too slow either. This has a 2000 by 1000, 2000 by 1200 screen. So let's take a look at that first. I'm just going to open up a video that I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with, and we'll go from there, and then we'll talk about the color. So this is a 4K ads. I hope I don't get copyright strike for this, so skip. All right, so okay, now the screen here goes up to 300 nits, and it's a 2000 by 1200 in-cell laminated LCD display. It's not OLED, it's not AMOLED. In terms of color, I would say it looks actually decent. The other two tablets, so this is the Vast King Pad with a much higher resolution. I think it's like 3000 by something like that. And then of course you have the All Dew Cube over here, which is a resolution of about 1080p. So this one's a resolution of about 1200p, which is a little bit better. But also this aspect ratio is a little bit strange because it is a 2000 by 1200 screen. So the aspect ratio is 5:3. Color reproduction, as you can see, is decent for an LCD. It's not up to AMOLED levels, but it does look good enough for basically anything you want to do, be it watching movies, you want to play some games. Actually, I'll show you Genshin Impact later. You want to do anything else, the colors here look pretty good. This is a 60 hertz display. It's not fast refresh. It's not 90 hertz. It's not 120 hertz, but it'll do the job. And for example, you don't want 120 on your gaming tablet anyway, because it's gonna just suck up battery and the frame rate. So let's keep going. All right, so let's here look at the sound and see how it sounds. I've got a Adventures, which is a royalty-free track for you to listen to. This does have 4 speakers, so it should sound pretty good. Let's see what it's got. All right, I loaded up the All Dew Cube X game just as a comparison, and let's see how this one sounds. Much softer, much softer. Like this Teclast is, you're talking maybe 30-40% louder, which is saying quite a bit. And then of course the sound quality, it's a bit less, not pronounced, but it's a little bit less precise. But anyway, I'll go into a full review of this later, but for now we'll keep going here. Oh, that's the other thing. I did try this, but it doesn't work. So the pen unfortunately does not work because there is no Wacom or, some sort of digitizer layer. Okay, and just talking quickly about general performance. Of course, this tablet, it does perform fairly well in terms of performance. First of all, it is 60 hertz, so it's not super crazy. And then, of course, this also has a fairly low resolution of 2000 by 1200, which is basically 1080p, it's like 1200p, so it's not anything like 2K or 4K. So as you can see, everything is pretty good, and it just got a notification for a system update. But otherwise, performance is pretty good. Even when you're talking launching apps, I don't know. You know what? Let's clear all the apps just in case, and then we'll do that. So as you can see, that was super duper fast, and we'll load Tachiyomi, which is a pretty lightweight app, but anyways, and YouTube, a little bit heavier. So again, very, very fast app, fast load up, I mean. So not bad at all. In terms of performance, I'll do more of it, but for now, let's play some games. I'll load up Genshin Impact, and we'll go from there. Okay, I didn't want to bore you too much with the actual loading times, but it took approximately, I'm gonna run away because I'm gonna die. But it took approximately, I don't know, pretty long, like 40-50 seconds just to load the game. So Right now I'm playing on, does it pause? Okay, so it does pause. So I'm currently playing on videos low setting, so not the lowest, because there is one more setting down there. If you choose medium, it immediately tells you that performance is too high, which that is correct. It is a little bit too high. Even on medium, it starts chugging a little bit. So yeah, even on 1200 by 2000, it's not the best. Oops. And of course, I'm not playing this properly because first of all, I haven't played this very much, and okay. I'm actually not used to playing this on. I'm used to playing this on computer, but yeah. So, yeah, as you can see, the frame rate is decent, but this is also like lowest quality, right? Or low quality. So second lowest quality. So not super intense, but of course, you know, there's other things as well to consider. But right now, in terms of frame rate, it's pretty good. Of course, I kind of wish I had a controller to play this, but as you can see, it does work pretty well. Yeah, so if we want to talk about this tablet, you'll probably have to wait for my full review, so that you can take a look at it and see my full thoughts about how it performs. But otherwise, for now, yeah, stay tuned for my full review. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.